Hey everyone, Farnaz Tehrani here with the Walker team. Today, we're in South San Jose at 4970 Cherry Avenue, Unit 110, a beautifully maintained first-floor condo that offers comfort, convenience, and a fantastic location. Step inside and you'll find an inviting open-concept layout with a stylish accent wall and beautiful laminate wood flooring throughout. The living and dining areas flow seamlessly together, creating a welcoming space to relax or entertain. Just off the living area, enjoy your patio, a perfect spot to sip your morning coffee or unwind in the evening. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinetry, while the in-unit laundry adds everyday convenience. There are 2 comfortable bedrooms and a full bathroom, offering flexibility for a guest room, home office, or personal retreat. This well-kept community's HOA covers water, sewer, garbage, and exterior upkeep. You will also have 2 assigned parking spaces and a private storage area. Location is key here. You are close to highways 85 and 87, making it easy to get anywhere in Silicon Valley. Plus, you're just minutes from Westfield Oak Ridge Mall, Whole Foods, and a wide variety of restaurants, cafes, and fitness centers. Parks and a top-rated high school are nearby too. Whether you're a first-time buyer, downsizer, or investor, 4970 Cherry Avenue, Unit 110 is a wonderful place to call home. For more information or to schedule a private tour, reach out to the Walker team. We would love to show it to you in person.